Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to be disassembling this Xbox One controller. Now what you'll need is a security T8 bit as well as a security T5 bit and a spudger or some sort of pry tool to get these quarter panels off of the grips. Now they just pull straight off they're just held on with clips. Just be careful not to break them, but sometimes they just snap off. And once you do that, it'll reveal 4 T8 screws as well as one underneath the battery label, and they are security, so you will need a security bit. And you just want to take those out. Now this last one, I usually just punch the screwdriver through the sticker, and the screw usually stays there, so I just leave it there. It's not going to go anywhere. And once you get those out, the top shell will just come right off, as well as the joystick covers. And then you can flip it over, and then the bottom housing will just pull straight off, just like the top. Sometimes it will get stuck on the triggers and you will need to push them in just a little bit. And to get the bumpers off, you want to pop this little plastic piece off. It pushes up and then hinges away from the controller. And then once you get those off, the bumper will just come straight off.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, and once you're inside of here, you want to be careful of the rumble motors because they are soldered to the board. I have broken a couple of them. They just get ripped off the board while you're working on it. And for the next part, you will need T5 bits to remove these boards. There'll be 2 T5 screws on this upper board with the Bluetooth module and one of the analog sticks. So you just want to remove that. So if you're having problems with your Bluetooth module, this is the board you want to replace. If you're having problems with the buttons, like the B button, this is the module you want to cling to. You also want to remove that antenna wire so you'll still have Bluetooth connectivity. And usually I like to flip this board up just so you don't have to use a soldering iron to get at the bottom board. And there'll be 5 T5 screws on this lower board. And now this board will control the Y, X, and A button, as well as the pause, select, and then the home button and capture button if it's a series controller.
Music licensing reimagined.
And once you take those screws out, the bottom board will just come straight off because it's not connected to anything. And then this little rubber membrane is what connects your buttons to that bottom module. If your buttons are sticky or mushy, I would recommend cleaning around the buttons. You need to take them out, clean the button, and then that little shaft the button goes in, and then the little diaphragm. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video helped. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I'd really appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a great day.